starting a human resources firm can be an exciting and rewarding journey. As the backbone of any successful business, HR is crucial in managing, hiring, and fostering a positive work environment. Today, we're going to explore how you can dive into this industry and build your own HR firm from scratch. First things first, let's talk about what exactly an HR firm does. At its core, an HR firm helps companies manage their workforce. This can include recruiting the right talent, handling employee relations, managing benefits, and ensuring compliance with labor laws. Think of it as being the go-to solution for businesses to keep their teams happy and productive. Now, how do you start? Well, passion for people is key. You should enjoy working with others and have a knack for problem solving. Experience in HR is a plus, but if you're just starting out, consider taking some courses or certifications in human resources management to boost your credibility. Next, you'll need a solid business plan. This will be your roadmap, outlining your services, target market, and financial projections. Make sure to define what sets your firm apart from others. Maybe it's your unique approach to recruitment or a specific industry you specialize in. Whatever it is, make it clear in your plan. You'll also need to get your business legally set up. This means choosing a business structure, like an LLC or corporation, and registering your business name. Remember, legalregistration.com can help with all your incorporation needs. They make the process simple and stress-free. Now, let's talk about building your client base. Networking is your best friend here. Attend industry events, join local business groups, and don't be shy about reaching out to potential clients. Offering a free seminar or workshop can also showcase your expertise and attract new business. Marketing your services is crucial. A professional website and a strong online presence are must-haves in today's digital world. Consider sharing insightful HR tips or industry news through a blog or social media to engage with potential clients. Lastly, stay informed. The industry is ever-changing, so keeping up with trends and new regulations is essential. Subscribe to HR newsletters, join professional organizations, and continuously seek out learning opportunities. Starting an HR firm is no small feat, but with the right passion and preparation, you're well on your way to making a significant impact in the business world. Remember, legalregistration.com is here to help you with the legal groundwork, so you can focus on building your dream firm. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, the #1 online incorporation service provider for all your business registration needs. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on building your business. Thanks for watching.